All right, let's talk about how did the prototype survive the train crash. Now, one, I think the reason why he survived is because, well, the train probably wasn't strong enough to kill him. It wasn't strong enough to kill him, and like he might have got some minor injuries, but that's about it. But one thing about the prototype is that he's extremely intelligent. So maybe he was anticipating the crash, and he put himself in a position to where he would survive the crash. Another thing I can also talk about is that the prototype, he doesn't really perceive himself as a villain, although he's a major one and probably plays in the franchise in general. But like he positioned himself in order to survive that crash. Now, if you're hearing background noise, I'm sorry. That's kind of my fault, but like, I'm in my passive period right now. Still trying to record this in high school. So the prototype. He had the position. He was either anticipating it, or we didn't do enough damage for him to die. Now, a theory I have in mind regarding him in Chapter 6 is well, I think he'll probably be betrayed by everyone except for his experimentation. And I think the only way we could probably kill him is we need something. We need something that's stronger. We need something that's stronger than a prototype that could kill him. We need more mass to kill him, more force, and that's basically kind of it. Now I will be posting. I'll be posting some comedy skits soon. Regarding Papa Playtime characters, but hope y'all have a great day. You watching this from work, drive home safe. I'm just trying to live in God's image. Hopefully my videos can help, and y'all just help me get to 7K subscribers, okay? If y'all do that, let's see. If y'all do that, I will probably, whichever multiplayer game that people could join on, I'll like every subscriber of mine can join. Each and one of them. But yeah, bring your boy Merrick Tyler, and peace out.